हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप हमारे चैनल में फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए। आज का हमारा वीडियो है C++ इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस पर। सो टुडे आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू 5 कॉमनली आस्क्ड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस व्हिच इज फॉर बोथ freshers and experienced. So our first question is, what is C++ and its advantages? So basically C++ is an incremented version of C language. It has various advantages like it is an object oriented programming language, it has a great efficiency, it provides a feature of reusability, it supports pointer and it supports standard template library. This second question is the key question for all the freshers. This is difference between C and C++. So basically C is a procedure oriented language which is basically focused on its functions. And C++ is an object oriented language which has class and objects. Relies on structure and functions for the data manipulation. But in C++ there are classes and objects for data manipulation. In C, we does not have a feature of function overloading, but C++ has feature of function overloading and function overriding. C does not have a feature of operator overloading as well, but C++ has feature of operator overloading. In C, there is no built-in support library for containers, algorithms and iterator, but in C++ we have standard template library. In C, there is no error handling feature present, but in C++ it supports exception handling. Third question is different type of data types in C++. So there are 4 different data types. One is primitive data type, which is basic, our int, short, character, long, double. Another one is the derived data type, which is derived by user, like array, pointers, etc., by which we can derive or manipulate the primitive data types. Enumeration, sequential data type. Fourth is user-defined data structures like structure and classes, in which user itself can define which kind of structure it wants. Now the fourth question is, what is class in C++? This is the basic and the key feature of C++. Class is a user-defined data type which contains its own data member and member function inside it. So basically we can say that class is a wrapper of data members and data function. This is a primary concept of object-oriented programming. It is like the best example of encapsulation. So here you can see the example. There is one class person which has data members as int weight and int height, and there is one member function which is called int measure, which is printing the value for both weight and height. This is our fifth question, what is object in C++? As previously we learned what is class. So for accessing those data member and functions of a class, we require objects. So once we define a class, we need to create a similar object for that class which can access those members. So the syntax of creating object is using class name and object name. Example, we have a class previously as person and we are creating its object P1. These are the 5 commonly asked interview questions. For more such videos, please सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ये पीपीटी आप सबके साथ शेयर करूं तो प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए।